If you just started using GoMining or you're thinking about it, stop scrolling right now. I'm about to show you 5 of the biggest mistakes that can cost you hundreds of dollars in Bitcoin every single month. So let's fix that right now. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is not using the auto reinvest feature. So when you click on reward settings, you'll be able to see the auto reinvest feature on the bottom. As you can see right now, mine is turned on. You will have 2 options. You can get paid out in the GoMining token. As you can see right now, I am earning 27.19 GoMining tokens, or you can use the auto reinvest feature to get more power, to get more terahash. As you can see, with that feature, you get an extra 5%. So depending on how much power you already have, you could be earning an extra half a terahash or a full terahash every single day. Also, you'll be able to switch back and forth whenever you want. You can literally mine Bitcoin for 1 week, get GoMining tokens the next week, and then reinvest everything into more terahashes the following week. You'll be able to take advantage of this auto reinvest feature to come up with the ultimate strategy that works best for you. I also made a video where I auto reinvested everything back into power for 30 days. If you want to see those results, the video will be in the description box below. And remember, the power of compounding can definitely change lives. And now let's talk about mistake number 2. This is the mistake that I have recently made, and that is buying a miner that has very bad efficiency. I'm talking about 35 plus. As you can see right here, I bought this greedy machine. It has 148 terahashes and the current efficiency is 26.74. When I purchased this miner, the efficiency was 35. So the amount of money that it will take me to lower the efficiency down to 15 or 20 is more than what I actually paid for this miner. So efficiency is extremely important. And if you are starting out, I highly recommend you simply get a miner that already has 15 efficiency instead of spending hundreds if not thousands of dollars to lower it from 35 to 25 to 20 and all the way down to 15. And did I mention, if the efficiency is above 20, you will not be able to upgrade the power. So you are pretty much forced to upgrade the efficiency in order to gain more power. And if it is a greedy machine like this one, you are not going to get that free power every single week unless your efficiency is 20 or less. So do not get fooled by miners that have a lot of terahashes but very bad efficiency. They are going to cost you a lot more money in the long term. And did I mention the maintenance cost? This greedy machine has 148 terahashes, same efficiency as mine when I first bought it at 35. The maintenance is 14.27 GoMining tokens. So every single month, that is 428.25 GoMining tokens. So you will constantly have to keep a balance of GoMining tokens just to cover the maintenance of one of these miners. So the higher the maintenance, the lower your profit will be. Mistake number 3 is panic selling when the market is experiencing a pullback. So if you have mined Bitcoin on GoMining for the last 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, however long, and you have accumulated a decent stack of Bitcoin, if you sell it when the entire market is crashing, chances are you're not going to be profitable. In my opinion, Bitcoin is a long-term investment. So all these minor corrections are literally there to wipe you out. That way you don't make any profit. All you got to do is zoom out a little bit, step away from your laptop or your phone and relax. Panic selling destroys a lot of investors. Talking about the price of Bitcoin and how that affects you on the GoMining platform, it really does affect you, and I will show you here in a second. So this miner, let's do a quick upgrade on it. So we are going to upgrade the efficiency. So when we click on the efficiency, it will cost us $249.99. It will lower my efficiency by 1.12 on this miner. So we are going to select it, and we are going to select the option to pay with the GoMining tokens. As you can see right now, it will cost me 640 GoMining tokens. But just a week ago when I posted my last video on GoMining, you will see I did the exact same upgrade, bringing my efficiency down by 1.12, costed me $249.99, but it only costed me around 610 GoMining tokens. So 1 week made a huge difference. Also, the price of Bitcoin did drop big time over the last 7 days. It literally went from like 116. Now we are sitting at around 104. So always pay attention to the price of Bitcoin and how much it is costing you to upgrade your miner. Also, this number fluctuates as well. So I could log into my GoMining account and this number, instead of being 640, it can be 650 or it could be 620. It all depends on the price of Bitcoin and the price of the GoMining token. So be patient and upgrade when the price is right. And now let's quickly pay and upgrade this miner. As you can see, it literally takes a couple of seconds and my efficiency went from 26.74 down to 25.62. We are very close to 20 efficiency and we are very close to receiving those weekly power payouts. And mistake number 4 is missing out on all the discounts. One of the biggest discounts that you can get is by simply pressing the service button. As you can see, in about 1 minute, the service button will be available and I will be able to press it in order to keep my discount. In my opinion, this is a great way to save on fees and a great way to earn even more profits absolutely free. As you can see, I have already pressed the service button for 10 full days and I am maxing out my discount of 3%. The max discount that I'll be able to get is 30.4%, which is huge. Another way to get an even bigger discount is by holding more GoMining tokens or locking them up. The more tokens you lock up, you are going to receive free tokens as well and you are going to maintain your discount. And now let's press that service button. As you can see, it was that easy. One click to maintain your discount to earn even more profits. And finally, mistake number 5, it is not having a plan or any type of strategy. Like I always say, if you do not measure, you cannot improve. A lot of people that start mining Bitcoin, they get their first miner, they log into their account once or twice, and then they expect that they can come back a year or two later and be Bitcoin millionaires. But in reality, it takes way more than simply buying a miner, setting it, and forgetting it. You have to be on top of your game. You have to have a strategy if you want good long-term results. And when it comes to GoMining, there are so many different strategies. My strategies and goals are way different than your strategies and goals. There are some people that only have one miner and they are constantly upgrading that single miner in order to grow their power. Other people are literally buying a brand new miner on the marketplace every single week. Some other people are solely focused on greedy machines. Others are solely focused on locking up as many GoMining tokens, using those rewards to buy more power. There are so many different plans and strategies. Some may work for you, some may not. So decide what your main goal is, create a strategy for it, and literally work for it every single day until you achieve it. So start small, learn the system, and scale once you are confident. GoMining is not about luck, it is about consistent strategy. So if you are ready to start mining Bitcoin, I do have a link to GoMining in the description box below. If you use that link, you are going to get an extra 5% on your first miner. So check it out, take advantage of that promo code. And as always, if you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all those questions and help out as much as I possibly can. Press the like button, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.